Learn English daily. All right, everyone. Welcome to my humble abode. I'm so glad you could make it.
Thanks for having us, Jane. Your place is lovely.
Oh, stop it, you. Now let's get this party started with some good old-fashioned chit-chat. How about we play a game? Word association, perhaps?
Sounds fun. Count me in.
Great. I'll start. Pizza.
Cheese.
Mozzarella.
Delicious.
Diet.
Ah, the eternal struggle. Diets and deliciousness just don't mix.
Speaking of diets, Jane, did you know that skipping breakfast can lead to a decrease in brain power?
No wonder I feel like a genius after my morning bowl of cereal.
Well, speaking of brain power, has anyone seen that new superhero movie?
Yes, I saw it. The special effects were mind-blowing.
You know, I tried to be a superhero once, but then I realized I couldn't even fold a fitted sheet properly.
Hey, I have a joke for you all. What did one wall say to the other wall?
I don't know. What?
I'll meet you at the corner.
Okay, let's switch gears for a moment. Any exciting vacation plans coming up?
I'm heading to the beach next week. Can't wait to soak up the sun.
Lucky you, I could use a tropical getaway myself.
You know what they say, a day at the beach restores the soul.
Unless you forget your sunscreen, then it restores the burn.
Well, my friends, it seems like we've laughed and talked our way through the afternoon. I couldn't ask for better company.
And we couldn't ask for a better host. Thanks, Jane.
Absolutely. Let's do this again soon.
Attention, everyone. Before we dive into this scrumptious lunch, I want to propose a toast to friendship, laughter, and unforgettable moments shared together. Cheers.
Jane, you've truly outdone yourself with this spread. It all looks incredible.
Thank you. I couldn't resist spoiling you all a little. Now, let's dig in.
Oh, Jane, this roasted chicken is divine. How did you get it so tender?
Ah, that's my secret recipe. A sprinkle of love and a dash of magic.
Well, whatever the secret is, it's absolutely delicious.
You know, I always say calories don't count when you're having a good time.
Absolutely. It's all about the experience and the joy it brings.
Speaking of joy, I can't stop grinning when I see this chocolate cake. Mind if I have a slice?
Help yourself. It's the perfect ending to a delightful meal.
You know, I read somewhere that people who talk to their pets are highly intelligent.
Oh, in that case, I must be a genius. I have hour-long conversations with my cat.
Well, I have a confession to make. Sometimes I dance like nobody's watching when I'm alone at home.
That's fantastic. Life's too short not to dance like nobody's watching.
Absolutely. Let's make a pact to bring out our inner dance floor divas at the next gathering.
You know, as I look around this table, I realize how lucky I am to have such incredible friends. Each of you brings something special into my life.
And you bring us together, Jane. Thank you for creating these beautiful moments.